See, what's he doing? Up to no good. Get on. Honey, these squirrels. What's going on, everybody? It's Letitia with Barefoot Gardening. I hope that you're doing well. So I have some composted. I have some composter. And so let me show you what I got. I got some orange peels. I got some eggshells. I got some cucumber rinds. And some avocado rinds. And a tea bag. Some apple cores. And some banana peels. And more apple. So, I am on my way to one of my composting areas, which is right here. And listen, you can use a bucket to compost in. You can compost in the ground. You can just dig a hole in the ground in the bed. I started this with leaves, coffee grounds, and twigs, okay, and the old plants from my garden last year. And I have another one over there in that big black trash can right there. And then I might as well be another compost pile right there next to the shed. So I have it everywhere. I also compost in my beds. So eventually I will compost in here. I already have, look at there. So I put some apple peels and stuff in there and just covered it up. Just make sure you cover it up, and that's that. Okay. The leaves are great material to compost with. So whatever you have, whatever food scraps that you have are great. Okay. I personally do not put meat and dairy products in my compost. Some people do. I will never do that. But that's that. It's that simple. So let me push this back. And this is burlap. But I want to show y'all these worms and centipedes and things. There's centipedes all in here, but the worms specifically. Let's see. Oh yeah, there they are. There they are. They are loving it. Loving it. Look at there. Look at there. And so I'm just feeding them, y'all. I just want them to feed, but this is gonna break down over time, y'all, and then I can use this in my garden beds as soil. I'm making soil. It's that dope. Oh my goodness, they're everywhere. Worms everywhere. Look at that. Thank you, Mother Nature. And here you go. Here you go. Here's some more food for you. There you go. And just cover it back up, y'all. Just cover it back up. Cover it back up. Just like that. Just like that.